today. The Jaguar F-PACE is going to be here, SVR. And I'm just here at the Snooks parking lot because it's a gigantic transporter trailer. And we have a parking lot here, right there. We're probably going to be able to unload the car. So I'll take you with me on this experience. This is my first time to get a car delivered, let alone an SVR delivered. So stay tuned, and we'll get you some reaction videos of our first time seeing this car and the delivery of it. All right? Okay, here we go. Here he is. Oh man, that's a nice transport.
Snazzy truck.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of car?
It's an SUV. It's a fast SUV.
Ooh, a fast one.
Yeah. Here he comes. Here you go, guys. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So excited. Oh my gosh. So excited. This is awesome. You're joining me as we take delivery of this wonderful car. This thumbnail's right here. See it, we gotta see it. Wow. You got any fancy cars in there?
What's that?
You got any fancy cars in there?
Yeah, I have Le Mans race car.
Oh, here you go. It's on top. Sweet. Very nice. There's the race car right here. Yeah. SVR. We're gonna hear it fire up. You're gonna go hear it fire up. Okay, let's hear it fire up. Oh yeah. Oh mama. Sweet mama. Super pretty. Woo-hoo.
That's the 2 keys.
Yeah. Check this out. They even have a gift for me. This is awesome. Thank you, Lisa. Lisa Brandini. If you need any help with your cars, Bentleys, Lamborghinis, Maseratis, and including Paganis. And the SVR, she sent me some gifts right here. Oh, wow. Thank you very much. Very nice. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate it very much. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you. Wow, man, these guys are cool as heck. So let me tinker around, set up a camera, and we'll go for a ride. Open up the exhaust. You hear that deep rumble when you open up the exhaust. Possible thumbnail photos. Inside. Heated seats. Brand new brakes and rotors. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud. So there's the interior, guys. We're in dynamic mode. Changes to red right there. Red means fast. Red. Woohoo! Let's lower this. I don't need radio. Come on, one more! Yeah!